Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming requirements so the app runs smoothly. Check Android 8 Plus or iOS 12, roughly 3 GB RAM, and at least 500 MB free. This avoids crashes. Next, connect to Wi-Fi and backup any important data. Once done, allow necessary permissions, and only if required, enable side load access for unknown apps. Do this now. It gets you past early roadblocks fast and explains why each step prevents install failures and save corruption. You now download and configure the game itself. If available, use the official store. Otherwise, pick a verified APK or IPA from a trusted provider. This reduces malware risk. Install, launch, and accept required permissions so features work. Then follow the in-game tutorial to unlock basics. Make sure to link a cloud account or enable cloud saves before you play extensively, because it preserves progress and lets you recover if you switch devices or reinstall. You finish by tailoring settings for performance and stability. Lower graphics or background processes if frame rate suffers, and set battery permissions so the game runs uninterrupted. If you encounter crashes, update your OS and GPU drivers, then clear the app cache. These steps often fix compatibility issues. If freezes persist, reinstall after clearing data. That one troubleshooting move resolves corrupt configs. Once you've tested a short play session, you're ready to enjoy I Am Cat Mobile with minimal interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.